Alright, what's up everyone? So today we are Wednesday, July 23, and we just made $2,300 USD trading Nasdaq. So the account balance right now is at 56, so really nice. Yeah, so today I saw a clean setup, and from there I was like, okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more risk on the trade, right? So I did two contracts for 100 point for 200, and yeah, got my full TP. If you guys didn't see the short, I posted it this morning. Under 10 minutes, 2K, easy. Now I'll show you guys the recap and all that. And yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful. Right now, if I want to, I can take a payout. Well, I'm on take profit, so whenever I want to, I can. But I'll trade tomorrow, and from there tomorrow I'll take a payout. So before the weekend, I can receive the money and enjoy it a little bit, right? Because if I requested Friday, well, they will send it by Monday. So yeah, tomorrow, whatever I lose or win, I'll take a small payout. And yeah, so if you guys want to see that, subscribe. Today we had news at 10, nothing important to be honest. Tomorrow though, at 9:45 we had red folders, so we'll see about that. Today's setup, same thing as yesterday, exact same thing. Break and retest, bang. So let's start. And today I was looking at US 32, and we had a really nice setup too. But Nasdaq gave me the move first, so I took it on Nasdaq, right? So fair value gaps, we've seen this one, but it already got filled. But most likely price will end up going down, right? Let's go on the 5 minute. I'm gonna make it very easy. 9:30 market open. We break out of London lows. Perfect. Let's go on the 1 minute. 9:30, 9:31. So this is good. From there, we got a retest at 9:35, which is my entry. Break and retest. So not only it's a break and retest, it's a rejection of London low too. Bang. I saw price going down, so that's why my 2000 is 2300. I placed my TP about here and got the extra points. Simple as that. This setup, same as yesterday, like I said. Break and retest. 9:30 we broke out of Asia lows. We got the retest at 9:35. Even if price is never going to be clean, but our stop loss is wide enough that this is perfect. Let me show you guys US 30. Let the indicator loads in. Perfect. So US 30, what can we see on the 15 minute? Fair value gap right there. Perfect. Already we marked that. Anything else? No. Go on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, you don't need to adjust it, right? The fair value gap is just more of like an idea where price is gonna go, and if we can possibly take a trade off it, we'll see, right? Let's start. We know we have an unfilled fair value gap. What is price most likely to do? Go and fill it before doing a move, right? Most likely. Right there, 9:30, we go, we sweep London high and reject. Let's go on the 1 minute. 9:30, bang, 9:31, 9:32, 9:33, 9:34. So before the next 5 minute candle, we close below. From there, at the retest, we enter. So this is rejection, and then we wait for a retest. Wait a minute, because on US 30, we risk 50 for 100, bang, and bang. So from there at 9:35 we enter the trade, right? And from there 5, 10, 15 minutes later, full TP. And what can we see here? It went, filled the fair value gap, and then start going in the other direction. So my analysis were right for this day on US30. Now, like I said, I took the short on NASDAQ because it gave me the move first. 5, 10, yeah, not even 10 minute full TP. So yeah, very nice. I'm very happy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next recap. And tomorrow, probably in the video for Friday, I'll take the payout because Take Profit, they update their dashboard after like 9 p.m., right? And I post at 5. So tomorrow we'll just post our normal recap, and Friday I will post me requesting a payout, I guess. Or I can just make a short about it. And in the trade recap of Friday, I'll show me requesting the payout. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. So yeah, very nice trade. And as we see right there, Asia low ended up. So my take profit was right there, which was perfect. And then bang, we start going the other direction. So yeah, really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow.